I was prescribed pain medication for fibromyalgia, and coming off it was the most important part of my recovery. Not because medication is bad, but because it wasn't healing me. If you're taking painkillers, antidepressants, or anything else to manage fibromyalgia pain, or you're worried you'll need them forever, stay with me, because I'm going to explain to you why I didn't need them to heal and what actually worked for me instead. What was my experience with pain medication? I tried a lot. I was prescribed antidepressants for the pain. I tried CBD oil. I tried every type of painkiller, including prescription codeine. And here's the honest truth. They took the edge off short term, but long term, they didn't help. Over time, I noticed something worrying. I needed higher and higher doses to achieve the same relief. And even then, my fibromyalgia wasn't improving. I was just managing my symptoms. Relying on pain meds is like trimming weeds instead of pulling them out from their roots. This was the turning point for me. Fibromyalgia is not caused by damaged tissue. It is not caused by inflammation. It's caused by a nervous system stuck in an activated state. We call it a chronic threat response. Now, pain meds work by dulling all those sensations you feel, but the activated state is still happening under that. All those processes of that activated state are still taking place. Chronic pain is the #1 symptom of fibromyalgia, and it is the reason fibromyalgia is disabling. But I asked myself, why is it that my brain is producing these pain signals in the first place? Because numbing my body is not going to address the root cause. I want to be really clear here. I'm not saying you should stop taking your prescribed medication. I am not anti-medication, but I am saying this. You don't need painkillers in order to improve your symptoms of fibromyalgia. I healed without medication. I have worked with clients from all over the world who have also healed using the same working theory and techniques as I did. If you want to go to my channel, you can see all the steps that I took in order to heal from my fibromyalgia. When I stopped focusing on numbing pain and started to retrain my brain and nervous system, that's when my pain switched off. That process is called pain reprocessing, and it changed everything. It is a proven technique. 98% of patients show an improvement in studies. Now, I personally use research from Dr. Howard Schubiner, Alan Gordon, and the Association of Neuroplastic Symptoms. So what did I do to manage in the meantime? This is really important because I get a lot of questions about this. I didn't just suffer through my pain and push myself through whilst I worked on my rewiring and reprocessing techniques. What I did was I used safety net items that were based on research. The things that I used to help me were a heated electric blanket. Literally wrap yourself up, let it relax your muscles. When your muscles are relaxed, it will reduce the number of pain signals your body sends. I also used hot water bottles to get to like more difficult parts, especially around my neck and like my jaw area. I used magnesium supplements, preferably magnesium glycinate or magnesium citrate. I reduced stimulation, I had predictable kind of gentle routines, and then I also kept my anxiety levels low. These things, their purpose is to help calm your nervous system. This is why people really enjoy having hot baths with Epsom salts in as well. Same thing, the calmer your nervous system is, the more relaxed you are, the less pain and fatigue signals your body will produce, and the more effective the healing techniques are as well. So the goal is to keep your nervous system not here, all the way down here, and keep it here as much as possible. And this is the moment that things changed for me. Once my brain learned that my body was safe, the pain had no reason to stay, essentially. So my timelines were that I suddenly showed a massive kind of improvement in symptoms within the first 2 to 3 weeks. And then over the course of a few months, all my symptoms faded. until I was completely pain-free. I'm not just free from pain, I'm free from fatigue, brain fog, I have my balance back, and my muscle stiffness and weakness has also gone as well. And don't compare your timeline exactly to mine. I had a client whose symptoms went after 2 sessions with me, so that was 2 hours. I also had a woman write to me on TikTok saying that her pain disappeared just after 1 week. So that was really good. All it is really is just a nervous system learning safety again. Your body isn't broken. And if you're ready to learn how to actually heal from fibromyalgia, not just cope with it, subscribe to this channel. I share everything I used openly and honestly. And if you've tried pain medication, tell me in the comments below what helped, what didn't. We're all just here to help each other.